How to create YouTube Kids profile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can create YouTube Kids profile. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you have to come to youtubekids.com. Once you're here, you will see this kind of interface, and here you have two options whether to create an account if you are a kid or if you are a parent. So if you're a kid, you can continue with the first option. If you're a parent, you can continue with the second option. So here I'm going with I'm a parent. After that, click on next, and here you will be asked to enter your date of birth to verify your age. Then click on submit. After that, you have to watch this video, so make sure you watch the full video, and once you have played the full video, you will have an option to click on next. So once you're done watching this video, click on next. Now you will be asked to add an account. So here you have to sign in with a parent account. If you want to add your account, you can do it right here and add your account. If not, you can skip this process as well. Once done, you will see this kind of notice. Make sure to read this notice and then click on I agree. After that, you will be asked to choose a content experience for your child. So select your content experience. Then click on select. Here you can simply click on turn search off, and here you will have a small guide that says parent feature. To make sure you go through this guide and then click on done. And with that, you have created a YouTube Kids profile. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.